Hello everyone, I'm Nivedita and today I'm going to talk about my research in a slightly less conventional way. I'm going to recite a poem entitled Cyanobacterial Eyes. The sun shines bright, it gives us light. From single cell, the unit of life, to multi-cells like us, we all thrive. Plants need light to photosynthesize. They utilize carbon dioxide and water to produce sugar and oxygen for organisms to survive. So does cyano, the bacteria I love. However, it loves red light. It loves red light, well, because it helps it photosynthesize. Just like our eyes, cyanos can see this light. When they sense danger, they prefer to fly. Our eyes are complex. They consist of a lens, which focuses light coming from objects' content. The image formed is inverted on the retina. Rods and cones are photoreceptors on the retina. Photoreceptors are tiny molecules that sense an array of light, making our views beautiful and bright. The signal from the retina gets transferred to the brain, where all of this gets deciphered, and this hodgepodge kind of makes a lot of sense. A single cyano is just like our eye. It serves as a lens and focuses light sharp, just like a samurai. It also has photoreceptors like rods and cones. However, they are slightly different from the ones that are known. They also help distinguish an array of light. They love red, as said earlier, and despise UV light. Cyanos have appendages just like our legs. They are called pili and are made up of smaller subunits that resemble a keg. The pili get thrown ahead of them whenever they want to move with a twitch, just like an anchor thrown away from a pirate's ship. That is why they are said to have twitching motility, which serves for them as a great utility. The pili help pull themselves toward red light or gets thrown away on the opposite direction and pull away from UV light. I work with cyanobacterial photoreceptors because they are tiny, but they work with all their might. And cyanobacteria is the coolest bacteria, so I work with them woohoo with great delight. So at the end, what we get to know, my dear friends, is however big or small, the principles that govern us are all the same. Thank you.